Good morning! Today is Monday, the first Monday of 2025. So one of my goal this 2025 is maging healthy lalo. Okay. So for the past few weeks or months talagang sobrang daming food intake natin because of the holidays, ano. So kailangan magbawas ng timbang. So right now nandito kami sa Circle Mall together with my family. Ayan, so nandiyan kami. So Ayala Malls, Marikina Heights. So madami rin yung mga nag-walking. So we will try na, personally I will try to mag-walking at least 4 times a week. That's one of my goals kasi sobrang dami ng fats and calories na nadagdag sa ating mga katawan, ano. So ayan, kaya right now first day na nag-walking tayo, and ang ganda kasama ko yung aking wife, yung naka-orange doon, black orange, and our 3 daughters. So yan. And also I'm so excited doon sa aming ilo-launch na online system. Okay, it is we call it automate and thrive program, wherein we will teach you how you can thrive and become successful with regards to revenue online, so getting revenue online. Okay, even at the comfort of your home, in your office, kahit na nasaan ka, nasa ibang bansa ka, kaya mong gawin ito, and we will teach you that. So watch out for that. Ilo-launch namin yan, initial launchings soon this month, right, with my partner in Australia. Nasa Fiji siya. So again, good morning sa mga nanonood dito. First Monday of 2025. So nag-walking kami just to make pagpag yung mga calories na sobrang dami. Dito na tayo sa may bandang Mercado. So basically, nasa isang paikot kami. This is a Circle Mall. Circle Mall ito, paikot-ikot lang. So I will try to achieve at least 6 to 8 rounds dito, paikot-ikot. That will sum up with at least 7 kilometers. Yan. So again, good morning, and watch out for our online business coming soon. Online system coming soon. God bless. Bye-bye. Happy Monday, everyone. Woo-hoo.